Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how I make my own eggshell fertilizer. First, I want to share with you why I like using it. One, it is really rich in calcium. And second, it encourages root growth. It discourages blossom and rot, especially for my tomato plants. It lowers soil acidity. And of course, it's organic and safe. Now, let's begin. And voila! Now you have your own homemade eggshell fertilizer. Don't forget to put the label on your bottles so you won't be sick in it for another spice. Keep planting and happy growing! Bye!